Welcome to a review of our afternoon trade here at Day Trade Learning Center. These are trades that if you followed along, you could have had some really good positive growth for the week. You can see the couple things here. We grew up by 3.3% in just 5 days. We had 0% drawdown. That meant we had 0 losing days last week. Our overall win rate was 83.3%. We averaged between 2 different webinars, 3.6 trades per day. And our average win and average loss is really close to what we call a 1-to-1 trade, meaning we are risking about 300 on each trade to make about 300 on each trade. Or that's what the averages ended up being. A couple of time frames that we take these trades on is it's actually 4 p.m. Mountain Time. We had what's called a pending order, meaning that we were in a position that got in after the open as the price hit our pending order. It actually got us in 2 hours later and gave us a much better position for a particular trade. And we averaged about 2 trades a day on our morning impact trade as well. And you can see we're 90%. In fact, that was just a $10 mistake as I opened and closed a trade by mistake. So one mistake on my part. But these are some of the currency pairs that we traded in over that course of that time. You see, we just averaged a few trades in the Aussie Swiss franc, Aussie yen. We took 2 trades, both successful. Euro yen. We did have, that's where I opened and closed the trade for just a quick, ended up being a $30 because I took the wrong lot size. We actually won all 3 trades in there that we attempted. One in the Great Britain yen. We did lose 1 trade in the NASDAQ, and we lost 1 trade in the Dow and won the remaining 5. So great win rates overall. You can see the profitabilities in each currency pair. We also, you can see what we were going for as far as we sold, what our lot size was. This is a quick trade. We actually closed early and then took another trade shortly thereafter, as we've learned from some of our losses, and then even had a follow-up trade on top of that. So that particular day we did started off with a loss, but due to some experience that we've had in our indicators and back testing, we were able to actually exit out of that manually and continue those up, and we made far more than what we lost that day. And our evening trades won that night as well. The next morning we had successful trades in the NASDAQ. That morning, you can see we had 2 trades that particular day. Did quite well. This was a trade at night. Again, I accidentally took it with the wrong lot size. See, my lot size was risking about $10 per point, and which would have put my risk way too high for that trade. So we simply just closed it. We paid our commission on it to open and close that trade, and turned around and took our next trade for that particular currency pair. We did lose 1 particular one in the NASDAQ, which is a story for another day. We were in that for quite a few days before it tapped us out. However, we were able in some other accounts to take additional trades that worked out quite well for us. And again, in this account, we won the rest of our trades there to win out the week. So again, overall, it was a great week. If you want more information about our trades, if you want to just join us each day at 4 p.m. Mountain Time and 8 a.m. Mountain Time, contact the person who shared this video with you. Just go over some simple results. Just follow along as you're figuring out for yourself, and you can see some great success that we're having on this webinar. So again, hope this helped. We look forward to working with you in the future. Continue to like and follow, and we will talk to you next time.